Guys, welcome back to Kylie J's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll take you guys in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how to prepare this amazing chicken foot stew peas. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification bell so you guys can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Go ahead and tell your friends, tell your family members about Kylie J's Kitchen and have them subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, it's KylieKitchen_1, and also on Facebook, it's Kylie J's Kitchen. So the first thing that you always want to do, you always want to ensure that you clean up your chicken foot properly. And guys, be sure to check out your local supermarket or grocery store and you will get your chicken foot there, alright? You can even check out your meat shop, your local meat shop, and you guys know that you will get fresh chicken foot there or whatever meat kind that you want to use. All right, guys, remember to be creative in the kitchen. Remember to be you in the kitchen and utilize whatever you have at home. All right, be sure to also wash your chicken foot in some lime and some vinegar water, and then you guys go ahead and just pat dry them. All right, so this is the pot that we're going to prepare our chicken foot in. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go ahead and just add my wash red kidney beans to this pot, and then I'm gonna add my chicken foot, and I'm also adding some of my garlic, and I'm gonna allow this to just cook. All right, be sure to always check just to ensure that the chicken foot and the peas is cooking properly. All right, and once it's soft enough, I'll come back and show you guys what it looks like. All right. This should take you roughly about 45 minutes to 50 minutes to cook, all right? If you're pressuring it, then you know it will take a less amount of time, all right? But I'm not going to pressure it today. I'm just going to just cook it, all right? All right, guys, so this is it. This is my peas and my chicken foot. As you can see, it is looking all lovely already. All right, and guys, I forgot to tell you, I added just about half pot of water. All right, and sometimes it might need some additional water, so what you can do, you can just go ahead and put on some hot water on the stove, and when it's time and you see that it wants some more water, you just pour some of the hot water in it so that you don't have to pour cold water. All right, because if you add the cold water, then you know it's have to start over all that process again to boil up and all of that. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and add some spinners. You know, you can't make stew peas without spinners, so we have to add our spinners. And I made up this dough for the spinners off camera just to save me some time. I also went in and just chop up some onion, some scallion, some thyme, some scotch bonnet pepper, and some garlic that I'm gonna add to this. All right, and we're not going to add the authentic coconut milk today because I don't have any, but I'm gonna add some of my coconut milk powder to it. All right, remember guys, again, to be creative, remember to be you in the kitchen. Just in case you want to add another meat to this, remember you can always go ahead and do so. All right, and you guys don't need to add anything at all to make your stew peas thick. Some persons like to add cornstarch. Listen, cornstarch is not necessary. All right, so we're just gonna add all of that goodness that I mentioned earlier, and we're just gonna combine everything together. And then I'm gonna go in and add my coconut milk powder. And once you add the coconut milk powder, you just want to combine everything together, and then you can go in and add some paprika, you can add some black pepper, and you can also add some all-purpose seasoning. If you guys don't have the all-purpose seasoning, you guys can always go ahead and add some chicken seasoning. If you guys add all of that chicken seasoning and all-purpose seasoning, remember you don't need to add any salt, all right, because that would have already contained a lot of salt and you don't want to over salt your meal. All right, remember you can always go ahead and have this with some white rice, or you can just make some curry rice, some turmeric rice, and have it with it. All right, so again, once you add all of that, you're just going to combine it together, and then you're going to cover it and leave it to just cook down for a couple more minutes. All right, for about 20 more minutes on medium heat. All right, So once it's finished cooking, I'm going to serve it up and show you guys the final product of this amazing chicken foot stew peas, all right? So stay tuned, guys. Really easy, really simple, and totally delicious. All right, so guys, here you have it, the final product of my amazing chicken foot stew peas. As you can see, I serve it up with some white rice, some lettuce, and some tomatoes on the side. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. I hope you guys go ahead and try it out and let me know what you think. Remember, guys, to subscribe to my channel. Remember to leave a like and remember to share. We are on our way to 10K subscribers. Again, guys, I just want to thank you and see you guys tomorrow for another awesome recipe. Bye, guys, and thank you again.